How to add a GitHub Enterprise account to Visual Studio 2022. Step 1. Start Visual Studio and continue without code. Step 2. Select Tools from the menu bar at the top of Visual Studio, and then Options from the drop-down menu. In the Options window, you will find the Environment item in the list box. Under Environment, select Accounts. On the right, you will see the Sign in options. Check the empty checkbox next to Include GitHub Enterprise Account. Click OK. Step 3. Select File from the menu bar at the top of Visual Studio, and then Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Next to all accounts, click on the Add button. Click GitHub from the drop-down menu. The GitHub sign-in window will appear. There is now a second option for GitHub Enterprise. Click on GitHub Enterprise. In the text box that appears, enter your GitHub Enterprise URL. Click Sign in with your browser, and your Enterprise account will be added under All Accounts. You have successfully added your GitHub Enterprise account to Visual Studio. Please like, subscribe, and share for more content. Attack of the code. Concise and to the point.